Welcome to another Pro Tips video. We are going to start a new series where we will be looking at Outlook Pro Tips. And firstly, we need to figure out how to get Outlook to work. If you never set up any accounts in Outlook, then you might be presented with a window like this, or it will ask you for account details. And then you are left with the impression that you cannot run Outlook without any accounts configured, which is not entirely true. You can run Outlook without any email account. You just need to create a profile. There's two ways of doing this. The one is to run a runbox, and then you put in Outlook, and then /PIM space, and then a name for your profile. This will create a profile in your mail configuration of your computer. So if you go to your control panel and you go to mail, then you would find this little box window here. There's no profiles listed in here. If we run this command, it adds a profile, or we can just add a profile manually. And let's say emails. We create this profile, but we're not going to add any account to that profile. So, manually, see. So there we go. If you want to create a profile with no email accounts, click OK. So we created the profile, and then when it asked us for the account settings, we clicked cancel. Then it gives you this option. Do you want to create a profile without any mail settings? Yes, we do. So there we are. Now we've got a profile. And in fact, if we now launch Outlook, it'll actually launch. Okay, so you run that command in your run box to start Outlook without any profile or account configured. So there we go, you run that command, and now you can actually launch Outlook, but it won't have any email account configured, which is okay, but depending on what you want to use it for. It is primarily an email application, but yeah, it all depends. Thank you for watching. I will see you guys in the next one.